In this video, we'll show you how to add or update A records in your Wix account. A records are essential for connecting your domain to an IP address, ensuring visitors land on the correct website. You might need to update your A records if you're switching hosting providers, pointing a subdomain to another server, or linking multiple domains to the same website. Keep in mind, if your domain is connected via pointing, you'll need to update the A records directly in your domain host account instead of Wix. Let's get started. To start, we need to get to your DNS records where the A records are. Go to the Domains section in your Wix account. Click the Domain Actions icon next to your domain and select Manage DNS Records. Now that you've accessed your DNS records, let's go over how to add a new record and edit an existing one. To add a new A record, click Add Record in the A Host section. If needed, enter the host name in the host name field. The host name specifies the part of your domain, like a subdomain or a main domain, that you want to connect. If you're instructed to use an @ in the host field, simply leave it blank, like shown in this example. The @ sign stands for your main domain, like example.com. In Wix, you don't need to use the @ sign, just leave the host name blank to apply the settings to your whole domain. Then, enter the IP address you would like the domain to direct to in the value field. Finally, click Save, then confirm by clicking Save Changes. To edit an existing A record, hover over the A record and click Edit. Update the host name field. Leave this field blank if instructed to use an @ sign. Then enter the new IP address in the value field. Finally, click Save. And that's it. It can take up to 48 hours for the new DNS records to fully propagate. This is normal, so don't worry if your site isn't accessible immediately. For more tips and tutorials, visit the Wix Help Center. And if you found this video helpful, let us know by liking it. Thanks for watching.